Good morning students, I welcome you all to Social Science Vidyapit channel. As you know that this is our second channel and earlier many videos were uploaded for class 6 to 12 social science in our social science with NKSR channel, and we are very glad for your good appreciation messages which you have sent for your good performance. Our contents help you, and as you requested sir, we need some more contents for our term 2 exam. So this channel is made by my team and many videos of your term 2 syllabus were uploaded from class 6 to 12 social science, and many videos were recorded also will be uploaded very soon, and we expect that those videos will be very helpful for all of you to do good in your term 2 exam. And along with that, we believe that you must have subscribed this social science with NKSR channel and this social science with Vidyapit channel also, because as you know many videos my team uploads every day from class 6 to 12 social science, which will be helpful for you to prepare instantly. If you will subscribe the channel, then you will get the notification instantly. And one more thing, in every video as I share many important things which will help you to do good in your term 2 exam. So you should see all the videos till the end so that it will be very helpful for you to do good in your term 2 exam. And along with that, you can share this video and teaching materials, MCQ based question, extra question, and like the video, share this important videos, and subscribe this channel also, so that it will be very helpful for you. And today my team is ready to record this video for class 10 social science political parties. And as I said, say in every video, that you should sit with one notebook and pen so that you can write the important points, and the MCQ based question which I inform, you can write the answer, and in this way you can evaluate yourself. Okay, and in the comment section you can send me how much total mark you got from all the MCQ based questions. So I hope you all are ready. Shall we start now? So today this video is recorded by my team to for class 10 social science political party. So the first question of this chapter: the Indian National Congress was founded in the year dash. Your options are 1800, 1890, 1899, 1885. I hope you all have written the right answer of this question. The right answer of this question is 1885. Moving to the next question: the opposition party is this. The party that lost election, and the party that lost election and does not form the government, the party that wins the election and forms the government, the party that opposes the ruling party, and the party that doesn't contest the election. So the right answer of this question is the party that opposes the ruling party, and the party which is behind the major party, who got less seats than the majority party. Okay, that is opposition party. What does defection means? Your options are leaving all the parties, moving of a person from the party on another party which he got elected, moving of a person from the opposition party to ruling party, moving of a person from ruling party to opposition party. Okay. So the right answer of this question, defection means moving a person from the party on another party which he got elected. Okay, that is defection. So student, this is very important. You should understand this defection word meaning, because this question will be come in many exams. So what is the meaning of the defection? Okay. How many parties are registered with the Election Commission in India? Your options are more than 750 parties, less than 750 parties, more than 800 parties, less than 700 parties. So the right answer of this question is parties are registered with the Election Commission in India, that is more than 750 parties. Which is the most visible institution of democracy? Your options are elections, political parties, adult franchise, and seats reservation. So the most visible institution of democracy, that is election. Election is the right answer. Moving toward the next question: which political party support the concept of Hindutva? Your options are Communal Party of India, Congress Party, Bharatiya Janata Party, Telugu Desam Party. So the right answer of this question is Bharatiya Janata Party supports the concept of Hindutva. Moving to the next question: which one of the following countries has single party system? Your options are India, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, and China. So the right answer of this question is the country which has a single party system, that is China. Okay, and moving to the next question, a political party is composed of this leaders, active members, followers, and all of this. So all the so a political party is composed of all the options which I said: leaders, active members, followers, all the options. Okay. Moving to the next question, the institution that banned wall writing by parties during election is this: the election commission, the judiciary, the parliament, and the press. So the institution that banned wall writing by parties during election, that is the election commission. Election commission prohibit to do all these things and implement the model code of conduct, so that the fair election can be conducted. Okay. Moving to the next question, which one of the following regional party is associated with West Bengal? Your options are Lok Janshakti Party, Janata Dal, Forward Bloc, and Democratic Party. So the right answer of this question, the regional party is associated with West Bengal, that is Forward Bloc. Okay. Moving toward the next question, the symbol of Bahujan Samaj Party is dash. Your options are hand, elephant, bicycle, and hand. The right answer of this question is the symbol of Bahujan Samajwadi Party is elephant. Which one of the following political party is a state party? Your options are Bharatiya Janata Party, National Congress Party, Samajwadi Party, Bahujan Samaj Party. So the political party which is a state party, that is Samajwadi Party, is the right answer of this question. Moving to the next question, which one of the following political party is a national party? Your options are Bharatiya Janata Party, Samajwadi Party, Rashtriya Janata Dal, and none of this. The right answer of this question is the political party which is a national party from the option which I said, that is Bharatiya Janata Party. Okay. So student, these are some of the important MCQ based questions which is prepared from each topic of this political party chapter of class 10 social science, and we believe that this MCQ based question will be very helpful for you to do good in your term 2 exam. So we'll meet in the next video with some more MCQ based questions. Thank you.